Amidst the tranquil forest landscape of Amagansett, the Wuehrer House stands as a modern residence emphasizing simplicity, natural light, and a close connection to its natural surroundings. The building's horizontal shape follows the open spaces among the trees, creating a light, airy feel that blends seamlessly into the forest landscape. From a distance, the house appears closed and simple, with cedar cladding creating a warm and natural facade. Entering the interior, the home's atmosphere transforms into an open and transparent space. Large glass walls frame the views of the trees on all sides, allowing natural light to gently penetrate the interior. The living room, dining room, and kitchen are designed in an open concept, allowing each space to feel connected without rigid boundaries. Exposed wood on the ceiling and main structure creates a warm atmosphere that contrasts with the simplicity of its modern form. One of the most striking elements of the house is the use of sliding wood panels on the exterior. These wooden louvers can be moved to accommodate light and privacy needs throughout the day. When closed, these panels filter sunlight while providing protection from overheating. However, when opened, the house feels completely transparent again, strengthening the visual connection between the interior and the surrounding forest. This design approach allows the house to adapt to changes in natural light without relying entirely on mechanical systems. Natural cross-ventilation is implemented throughout the space to maintain comfortable air circulation, while large openings allow air and light to move freely throughout the house. All elements are designed in a simple yet meticulously measured manner, creating a calm and efficient living environment. The materials used also reinforce the home's natural character. The laminated wood structure is exposed directly without many additional layers, revealing its natural texture and color honestly. The concrete floors provide a solid visual balance, while glass reflects the landscape, which changes throughout the day. This combination of materials makes the interior feel warm, light, and close to nature. The Wuehrer House demonstrates how modern architecture can be simple without losing the immersive quality of space. Through the play of light, transparency, and movable wood panels that respond to the environment, the house creates a living experience that feels calm, flexible, and in harmony with the rhythms of the surrounding nature.